Most exterior doors only take about a day to install. If it takes more than a day, then usually we've run into a problem. It does take a full day though. By the time you get the old door out, you've inspected rough opening to make sure that there hasn't been any leaking over time, which is pretty common. Usually we'll see some type of damage to the sill, where moisture has gotten in over time. If there hasn't been an overhang that has shed water over top of that front entry door, there can be some damage to the sill, and so that'll require some carpentry work to fix that up. Before we put the door in, we add a sill tape to that, which protects that sill in the future, and it runs up the side of the framing just so if water ever does get in that opening, it's not going to rot out that sill again. So we set the door and we tape the outside nail flanges to the sheathing, and that also helps to prevent moisture from getting inside that rough opening. Once the door is installed, depending on if there is a multi-point lock system, we don't need to do too much with that. But if there's handle sets and a deadbolt, we'll need to install those on the door. And then interior and exterior trim. So the casing on the inside to make sure that that's finished up in there, and then on the exterior, those details can be a little more intricate on the exterior depending on what type of siding you have. Sometimes there's intricate trim that goes around the existing door, maybe a column or crown molding, those kinds of things. So we'll need to put that trim on, caulk everything, and then put a coat of paint on if that's the type of trim we're doing. But most door installs can happen in a day. That's usually what we budget for, that is one full day.